Hello there, my name is David DeFranco from Squarespace Summit over at sSpaceSummit.com. Now, one of the most crucial parts of any website is creating a contact form that is not only obvious to find, but also easy to use. Now, just like most things on Squarespace, they do make this incredibly simple, but maybe it's not obvious to everyone. Hence this video. So let's get started by pressing the escape key on our keyboard, which brings up the site manager view on the left side. Click on pages. Now this is where you can either create a new page or select an existing page. For this video's purpose, let's click the plus sign and create a new page. Let's just call this contact example. And Squarespace automatically creates that page for me. Now, hovering over on the right side in the main contact view, click Edit, and click any of these Add Content bubbles that appear on the left side of the white portion of this page. Clicking that brings up the Add Content blocks. And now scrolling down this list, we can add a form. Okay, so by default, Squarespace automatically shows you a very basic contact form, which just contains fields for first name, last name, email address, subject, and message, which is usually enough for most people. But if you did want to customize this, over here on the right side, simply click this plus sign to add a new form field. Now, as you can see, Squarespace gives you a ton of options to choose from text fields, to passwords, to numbers, to currency, to even a phone number. You have plenty to choose from. Okay, so once your form is created, click on Storage to add your email address right here. You simply put your email address in this text field and click Connect. Now, anybody who fills out this form, that information will automatically be emailed to myself or whichever email address you include in that box. But to kick things up a notch, Squarespace does allow you to automatically connect this contact form to either Google Docs or MailChimp. And finally, clicking on Advanced, this is where you can actually customize your submit button label. So we could change that from submit to send message. We can even change the button alignment. And this is the post submit message. Okay, so basically when somebody uses this form and they actually send the form, this is the message that they'll immediately view, which may not seem like a very important feature, but you got to keep in mind, you need to make the experience consistent and positive for the user. So a simple thank you message does go a long way. And finally, going back to the Build tab, don't forget to name your form. This is simply a great way of organizing multiple forms on a single website. Okay, so for example, let's just call this Contact Form Main. And click Save. And boom! As you can see, Squarespace automatically updated the submit button to our new message, send message, whereas previously it said submit. So there you go, save your page's changes, and your contact form is officially created. Which brings us to the end of this video, but I'm hopefully looking forward to teaching you even more information about Squarespace in future video tutorials powered by Squarespace Summit. Thank you for watching.